Hey guys, Gerald here. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys about the truth that nobody talks about in affiliate marketing. Now, there's a lot of BS right here on YouTube, and I want to begin to correct some of those things. Now, but first of all, let me tell you guys, let me show you guys something real quick. The other day, a student of mine contacted me and he said, I'm one of your old time subscribers on YouTube. I was the one that asked the question on the collabo with Franklin Emmanuel. You just finished that. Asked him. He said, I said I made 20K. Actually, I have made $48,000 with your strategy alone on ClickBank. Right? And that's the point I'm trying to make. This guy has made $48,000 alone by watching my YouTube videos right here on YouTube. Now today again I got another message from another person. He said he just said just about a few minutes ago. He said so this person just said, I really want to appreciate you for introducing us to affiliate marketing. I made 50,000 naira July with the niche travel and tours for referring a client to process his visa and book flight tickets with them before they even launched their website, right? And the person showed me a screenshot of the money that 50,000 naira was sent into his account by this company. Now this is a company that I don't know, right? And I'm going to be showing you why this is interesting. Let me show you guys another one real quick. This message just came in now. This guy apparently made just $8, that's about $9 on Warrior Plus by using the same strategy I've been teaching right here on YouTube. So what is the point I'm trying to make? It's very simple, right? People come to me all the time and say, Gerald, I've tried all your strategies and they don't work. I laugh. Sometimes when I'm like less busy, I say, what have you tried? I want to see what you've tried. Now, and when you begin to communicate with them, you come to understand that they do not even have the basic understanding of affiliate marketing, right? People will come and say, Gerald, my only problem right now is ClickBank. Once I have a ClickBank account, I'm gonna clean affiliate marketing, and I laugh. Because the truth of the matter is that when people talk like that, give them a ClickBank account and they would not even know what to do with it. That is the truth. If you understand affiliate marketing, you understand the fact that you can start with where you are. This guy that made money with a local company right here, he has a basic understanding of affiliate marketing. That is why he's able to do that. Somebody that doesn't understand affiliate marketing will be looking for ClickBank. I've shown you guys this before. On PiggyVest, right now, I've made over 5 million naira, just referring people. And this is a local app right here in Nigeria that you can use to make money online, right? So people are looking for things that are there because they don't have understanding, instead of looking like things that are around them. Like their apps, GT Bank will pay you for referring people to GT Bank. Yes, right? There are a lot of banks like that, like Standard Chartered. I'm going to make a video about Standard Chartered Bank. I think they give about 1.5 for everybody that you bring in. That if you bring like 100 persons at 1.5, that is a 1.5 million, right? Easy money. That is affiliate marketing. So you do not have to wait for ClickBank. So when people come to me and they say, Gerald, I'm not making money on affiliate marketing because I don't have anybody abroad to create a ClickBank account, a digital account for me, that is a lie. That is not the truth about affiliate marketing. That is a lie. That is not the reason why you're not winning. Jumia has an affiliate program, right? There are local companies that have affiliate program. If you go on Umeh right now and sign up for the affiliate program, these are things that I covered in my course. If you go to discount.geraldumeh.com, you're going to get that course. I covered all of this, right? My focus on that course was not ClickBank and Digistore. My focus on that course was helping you understand affiliate marketing, right? Then showing you independent affiliate programs that you can begin to promote. I showed you how to find them, how to find more, and I gave you at least about 10 or 15 of them that you can actually start promoting right now. So there are lots of visa companies like this that what you need to do, your friend is traveling, you just get them to buy tickets from one of these companies and get a commission from it. There are local companies that are Bluehost, refer people to buy domain and hosting, and you get $65 for bringing one person. Now $65 times 10, that's $650. 65 times 100, that's 6,500. And if you bring a lot of persons that are going to bomb it up for you, right? So I started affiliate marketing without knowing what affiliate marketing is. I found out that when I started Fiverr, I found out that Payoneer was paying $25 for everybody that you bring into Payoneer. And what did I do? I started writing about Payoneer. I started getting people. When I give you my Fiverr course to get into Fiverr, I tell you to sign in with this, with my link. I make sure that you do it. So once you get it was about $200 then or $400 then, once you get that, Payoneer gives me $25. Now I have earned $25 over 1,000 times. And then I didn't know what affiliate marketing was. I just saw that this was an opportunity. And that is what I'm trying to communicate. People think that affiliate marketing is ClickBank and affiliate marketing is Digistore. Affiliate marketing is Warrior Plus. No, it's not. You are focusing on those platforms because you do not have the basic understanding of what affiliate marketing is. If you understand what affiliate marketing is, you find out the fact that you understand that you don't even need to focus on those platforms. There are platforms right around you. You know what? Once you see them, you are looking out for opportunities. You want to say, is there an opportunity here? Okay, if I refer somebody, I can give you 100 naira. Okay, that's beautiful. Chidi we've been trying this. Okay, my sister, bro, how far I want to register with this link on so and so platform and do this and do that and blah 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 blah. And before you know it, the money is coming in. That is affiliate marketing basically. You just refer somebody to take action and you get paid for it. It is not ClickBank. ClickBank is just an affiliate marketing network. So if you have a basic understanding of ClickBank, of affiliate marketing, you will excel. Because what's going to happen is that you begin to see opportunity in everything around you. Your friend wants to sell a car. Affiliate marketing, that's an opportunity, right? Help him take that car, put it on websites, classified ad website that where people can actually find those cars and buy them. And once that happens, guess what's going to happen? You're going to get a commission for it. That's affiliate marketing. That's basically what it is, right? That is basically what affiliate marketing is. You're going to get a commission once that happens. Easy money, right? Easy money. So I want you to see what's going to happen is that I think for those of you who want to take action right now and understand the nitty-gritty of affiliate marketing, I'm going to be giving you guys a 50% discount on my course. Just go to the first link box below, right? If you go there, that link is gonna be there for 2 days, for 48 hours. Around 48 hours, the link is gonna expire. So you need to take action right now. So just go there, click on that link, and grab that course. So you see local programs, local companies, local opportunities around us right here that you can begin to promote right now. Just like the guy that made money, that I just read his email right now, that he made money from a company that I don't even know about, but he mentioned the fact that this company is a visa company, right? So the only thing that he did was to promote. He said, I made 50k July with the niche travel and tours for referring a client to process his visa and book flight tickets with them before they even launch their website. So this guy, because he has listened to me, he saw the opportunity. He saw that a friend of his is traveling. If he refers him right now, he's going to get a commission. And guess what he did? He took that opportunity. He took the bull by the horn. And this is success, right? This is success. This is exactly how it works. You know, so, okay, so they've launched their website right now. And the guy just showed me the 50k that he just made. Actually, his balance is 50,026 naira. I think, yeah, that's what they sent to him, you know? So, oh, they even gave him a job. They even made him an affiliate consultant too. Right? So this is good news. This is good news. This is understanding the nitty-gritty of affiliate marketing. So I want you to understand affiliate marketing, which is why I'm going to be giving a 50% discount on that course for the next 48 hours. So what you need to do is to click first link box below, go there, grab that course right now, right? So you can begin to understand this, and you are going to see I talk about a lot of programs, just like the one that he made 50k with. Right, I've talked about a lot of programs, so just click there, grab that course right now. And if you have any questions, my comment section is always open. I'm always open on there to answer questions, right? So until I see my next video, guys, keep winning, and don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye bye from here, guys.